Well, I had the option to pick this up yesterday at GaryCon as opposed to having it sent in the mail. So since I was going to be here, I took advantage of that. As you can see, this is Goodman Games. This is going to be my Mutant Crawl Classics hardback. I'm very excited to see that. So I did peek at all this last night, but I'm just going to show how cool it is today. And it's kind of I feel like I'm committing a cardinal sin by bending up this beautiful box, because the artwork is definitely worthy of protection. So, there we go. And there's the beautiful, beautiful color hardback Mutant Crawl Classics. Everything is in there that you would need to know. If you know anything about DCC, this is pretty much that, but the post-apocalyptic scenario. Futuristic, everything's toxic, that kind of business. The dry earth, everything's, desert. And it's just gorgeous, gorgeous. Take too long to show you all the fantastic things in here, but the old school artwork is gets 2 thumbs up for me every time. Of course, the system is fun in itself. You can look that up in your own time. I just want to show how cool this product was, and it's everything I thought about. Not quite as thick as the DCC, but again, it's not that isn't needed. It's fat enough as is. So there's a beaut, a real beaut with that. Got a little bonus map that was inside the book, and that's included, of Terra AD. And that's so slick. I'm sure a dry erase or a wet erase would probably be better. Wet erase would work great on that. This is what I did not know I would be getting. I got an entire little collection of these. So you put all your level 0 peons on here, and most of them are going to die anyway. So you have an ample amount there to take care of that business. So that was a nice little bonus. And of course, we got the Goodman Games newspaper. Tells you what's coming up, what to expect, what's going on in the world of GG, Goodman Games. Character and creature codex. That was really nice. So you got all kinds of sheets in there. And they're specific. Pure Strain Human Shaman. There's that sheet. Sentinel is the other one. Here's a Pure Strain Human Rover. There's one for the Manimal. The Plantians have their own. The NPCs have their own. So this is just fantastic. Again, that old school artwork, gorgeous. And look at this gorgeous judges screen. So yeah, I didn't know I was getting probably most of the things in this box. But there you have it, over and out. I'm going to lock up this room and go play some more games. Keep your books off the table, keep reaching for the dice.